Going to the restaurant, I saw the Batman and me.
You did? What was it called?
Link up. Grandma told me what it called when we drove to it. And when we drove to the restaurant, it was dark.
It was?
Yeah.
What was the restaurant called?
Mm-hmm.
The Rainforest Cafe?
Okay. Yeah.
What was at the Rainforest Cafe?
Butterflies and elephants and now they pretend.
Oh, they were pretend.
Yeah, and now decoration.
Ah. What else was there?
Elephant and birds.
Did it rain?
Yeah, and monkeys. Monkeys and pretend. Gorillas and pretend. Jaguars, everything.
Wow. Where did you go after the Rainforest Cafe?
No. You were looking. You think that there was a pet toy.
Was there a pet store?
No.
Oh. What other store was there?
Beep, 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 beep. Yeah.
Was there a Disney store?
Yeah. That's what's called. Disney toy.
What was there?
Butterflies and a crocodile.
No, that was at the Rainforest Cafe.
And
What was at the Disney store?
no.
Did a man talk to you there?
And I go to the Disney toy and I had a wand in my wrist and there's a princess and now we're talking about and now we're reading a story.
Reading a story?
Yeah, and they were talking about the story.
Oh. What did you hold in your hand?
A wand
And what were you looking at?
in the mirror, and it was magic.
A magic mirror
So,
at the Disney store.
yeah. And the show was on.
A show?
Yeah.
What show?
The monster one.
Whoa, was it scary?
Yeah.
And then did you and Grandma come home?
Yeah. And I got my milk all over my shirt, and I'll take my shirt off. And Grandma said, we'll take the shirt off, and we'll put the coat on.
You spilled milk on your shirt?
Yeah, and now, take the shirt off, and now I'm being naked in the mall.
Was that funny?
Yeah,
So much fun with Grandma.
yeah.